Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Shokz Openfit if they are not charging and also if they are not connecting and pairing. So what you can try to do for the charging, just check the charger. If like try to use a different cable, maybe this is going to fix the issue. But primarily what you want to do is that you want to put both to the case, and then you just want to press and hold. So when you're going to press and hold, you're just going to wait. And you're gonna hold it for like 15 seconds, and you see right now it start blinking to the red. That means it has been resetted. Do you see it? So this is something that you want to achieve, and what will happen then is that when you're gonna do it and you're gonna reset it like this, then you can try to pair it again, and maybe this is going to fix the issue. I hope it does. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day, and goodbye.